If you're actually a CPA marketer or you're someone interested in making money online with CPA marketing, then you need to watch this video right now, as I'm going to walk you through how you could get CPA marketing offers and the best way to promote your CPA marketing offers if you actually want to do that for free right now. So stick on with me as we dive right into the strategy. Firstly, guys, you want to get to a CPA marketing platform where you could actually get CPA offers to promote. You can utilize OG ads right here, or you want to just simply utilize CPAGrip. I'm going to be sticking on with CPAGrip in this video. You want to come onto this section. If you don't have an account, click on register, go on to creating an account by filling out the form which will be shown. Now once you do that and log into your account, you want to come onto this page where you can get offers to promote. As you can see right now, there are not offers for the United States available right here. To get to this page, you want to come on to clicking on offer tools, select my offers from the drop down list, and you can actually be brought to this page. Now I can actually filter these offers to get offers from another country right now. Maybe if I do select the United Kingdom, as you can see, there are offers available to this demographic right now, which I can easily go on to promoting. You can select the offers, you can see much more details about the offer. This is $100 or $1,000 euros, or this is actually €1,000 giveaway towards the lucky winner getting an iPhone 15 Pro Max. Now they just need to enter their information to claim the reward. They need to actually be coming from the United Kingdom. They need to use a desktop device to submit their email address or zip code utilizing my unique affiliate link right here, and I'm going to get paid $2.22 for every person that does that and fits into this category. Now, and they also stand a chance of winning this cash prize giveaway. So what you want to do right now for the offer is to copy the link to the offer right now, or rather I can actually select this other one right now, which is exactly the same offer, but this one right here, they actually have to utilize Android devices to submit that. And it is much more easier promoting this offer because a lot of people tend to utilize mobile devices to scroll through the internet rather than just simply utilizing their desktop or a laptop right there. It is much more easier to get people that utilizes Android devices or mobile phones. So you can copy the link, and you may want to promote the link directly, or you may want to just simply go into utilizing what is called a landing page to promote that. And you can create landing pages via platforms like Google Sites, Systeme.io, and any other landing page builder site of your choice. Now you can actually do this way right here by getting offers to promote, or you may want to just simply utilize another cool strategy right now. You may want to just simply come onto this section, click on monetization tools, select the URL file locker right here. You will be brought to this page where you can create a new URL file locker. You can agree to the terms of service, click on continue, and you'll be brought to a page that looks like this. Now you want to make sure you have a very valuable content that you're going to be giving out to your audience, and that is what's going to be locked in this particular section. Once you lock that right here, people will have to actually complete offers before they can gain access to that locked content for free, and you're also going to be earning some cool affiliate commission for them completing such offers with this CPA URL file locker. So to get some cool content, maybe I can actually lock a free ebook, and I can get free ebook from platforms like freeplr.com. Now you can see there are a lot of platforms or a lot of ebooks right here available on the platform. You can see there are various niches ranging from addiction, adoption, advertising, affiliate marketing, email marketing, copywriting, CPA, Craigslist, fitness, food, forex, and a lot more other niches right now. They are quite numerous, so you can just simply focus on a specific niche. If I do select bodybuilding right now, guys, you can see, guys, it's actually going to go on to search for ebooks related to bodybuilding. You can see these are actually cool ebooks related to bodybuilding which you can select from. Maybe I can actually do select something like weight loss. If I just search for the weight loss option in this search section, I will be able to see ebooks related to that section. I can select this ebook right now, after which if I do that, I can scroll to the bottom, click on the download icon right now. The ebook will be downloaded on my device. Then you want to head on to a very cool platform right now called the mediafire.com. This is a cool platform that is quite similar to Google Drive. Now what I'm going to do is to sign up to my account. You can create an account for free also. And right here, guys, you can see I'm logged into my account right now. Now you can actually come onto this section. You can see that there are a lot of cool and amazing ebooks that I've uploaded on this section. You could also upload one yourself back and clicking on this upload icon right now. Click on this plus, and you can then go on to uploading one right now from your device. Now what I'm going to do right now is that since I've already uploaded that ebook, which is the weight loss on you, I'm going to click on this chain icon to copy the link to my clipboard, head back to that CPA marketing platform, paste the link right here, and I can then just simply go on to the template section to edit the templates. Maybe I can select the captcha template, head back to general. For this locker name, I'm going to just simply select something like weight loss. Now if I just select something like this, I'm just going to click on save, and my URL file locker will be generated right now. What you want to do next is to click on get link, copy the link to the locker, and go on to promoting that. You may create a landing page for that. That is actually okay. To promote that, you can utilize free platforms like here, like the freead1.net. This is a cool free platform that you can use to promote your ad to or your CPA marketing URL file locker to any location of your choice. As you can see, you can promote that to all countries and all cities. Now you can see right now I can just simply post ad for free. I can actually go into selecting the category of the ad. I can also select the subcategory, the group, the title, the description right now. You can insert your email address, the code, the link which you want to promote. If you want to add a YouTube video, you can add that. You can see right here, this section is for countries. I can just simply go into promoting that to the United Kingdom, which I'm just simply going to see at the bottom section right there. As you can see right now, right here, this is actually the United Kingdom, which is UK. You can select the states. If you leave that on none, you're selecting all states and all cities. Now you can add in pictures and go on to posting your ad for free. Now this is one way to do this. Once you've done this, guys, you can just simply copy the domain to this particular website, which is actually the freead1.net. If I copy that, you want to head on to this platform called the sitelike.org. Now this is a cool platform that you can utilize to get alternative platforms to a specific website. That means similar website to a specific website. So if I do go on to paste in that link right here and click on search, what this website is actually going to do is to find me all the similar websites that are actually similar to the freead1.net that I can use to run ads for free. Now you can also scroll down to the bottom section right now. You can see that these are actually helped me find out 66 freead1.net alternatives. So the first one is actually the momad.com, and you can actually go into the platform by clicking on this icon to navigate to that website. You can scroll down right here, you can see the second, which is adlandpro.com. You can see adrivers.com. So the more you keep scrolling down, the more you keep seeing much more cool websites that you can utilize to promote your ads for free. Now that's one way to go about this. If you want to promote your ads right now, you may want to you want to promote that particular URL file locker link, you may want to just use social media platforms like Instagram to do so. And you can make use of your Instagram team page. Now you want to create an account that is similar to a specific niche, or that specific niche which you are focusing on, maybe a weight loss niche. Give that a very cool image in the bio of the account, or in the profile image. Give that a very cool title, and in the bio of the account, guys, make sure that it's actually set appropriately, and the link to your URL file locker is in the bio of your account. Now you can then just simply go on to making sure that you get engagement to that bio of your account by posting regularly and trying to boost your account. To do so, guys, you may want to just simply go on to getting cool and amazing videos to post. And how do you get videos to post? You can leverage platforms like opus.pro to actually go on to getting 10 viral clips just by utilizing one single clip right now. To get such 10 viral clips, you may want to just simply go on to inserting a link to a specific long video, and that's going to repurpose that into 10 viral clips that you can utilize for your Instagram reels right now. To do so, guys, you want to sign up to the platform for free, and you can get links right now from YouTube, Google Drive, Vimeo, Zoom, Rumble, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, and StreamYard. Now this is actually suitable for YouTube podcast, or that is video podcasts, educational videos, commentary videos, podcast review, and motivational speeches. This is not suitable for vlogs, gaming videos, and music videos. Now you want to just simply paste the link right here, click on get clip in one click, and it's going to analyze that link and get you 10 viral clips. And guys, if I do show you an example of that right here, you can see how cool that is actually going to be. It's going to come up with about 10 viral clips right now. As you can see, these are actually about 10 clips right here, or this one right here is about 9. And each clip is actually having a very cool title. And take note that they are also having a virality score. And the virality score shows you the likelihood that the video is going to go viral as a YouTube short, TikTok video, or Instagram reels. Now, the more you go upward, the higher the virality score, and the higher the virality score, the better it is for your video to easily get viral right there. So you can just simply utilize this platform to help you get videos that can enable you go viral, and that will enable people who want to engaging on your Instagram team page right now. You can also follow other strategies like the follow for follow, upload other people's contents also, but make sure you're giving them the credit for their content right now, and you can make money or start directing people to your URL file locker link in the bio of your account and make money with that. You can also utilize platforms like Pinterest right here, utilizing the same strategy that you did use for Instagram team page. You can utilize that for Pinterest, but also take note that Pinterest has some cool and amazing tools like the Pinterest trends right now. This is a very cool tool that helps you know what is trending right now on Pinterest in the United States. You can see right now spring outfit is trending, from hairstyle, summer nails, from hair, from makeup, from nail set. These are all trending on Pinterest right now, and you can just simply get cool stuff that you can actually or utilize this cool trending stuff or topics to make money online with your CPA marketing. Just simply get products related to those topics and log that in your URL file locker. Get a cool video or cool image that you can use to promote that on Pinterest and utilize that to make money right now. So these are all cool strategies that I advise you take advantage of. Now, if you're looking for other ways to make money, make sure you check out my channel right now, because I regularly create videos on ways to make money online. You can check out the videos on my channel. I'm sure they will help you out. You would also hit the like button to the video, subscribe to the channel, and make sure your notification bell is always turned on all. That's it for now. Thank you all for watching. See you all in my next video, and goodbye.